Somebody's not happy.
Elijah Blue. We got London Williams on the harp here. Paul Peterson sitting in with us tonight. Kid Cole Allen was scheduled. He broke his hand. We got Elijah Blue, Shaky Jake Newman in the flesh. Come down to play some blues for you. If you got some requests, bring it up to us. Take